the truth be told is that even though the market has kind of been shot down, even though tech companies have been slaughtered, a lot of people believe that if you buy these tech companies now, that's an opportunity to make this money. Right now it feels like they're all dead and they've been shot, shot to the ground and left, and buried alive. But this is actually when people start making the money. This is when people start actually positioning for the money. So really, what I want you to really do is I want you to start becoming a rich person by doing what rich people do, which is thinking like a rich person, reacting like a rich person. Rich people are not gonna just sit there and not make a move. This is when the buyers buy, and all the research shows that buying during dips is the way to go, but you have to do it in a structured way. You have to do it in a portfolio based way. And so, some assets that you may want to look into, I'm gonna literally just tell you in terms of stuff that you may want to consider adding to the portfolio. I'm not telling you what to do. I don't give investing advice ever. Pull out your ink pen, give me a yes if you're ready. I'm going to give you some ways that you can actually position yourself so that when this market decides to reverse, which it typically will, and I'm gonna give you all the research to tell you to show this to prove this point to you. I'm not saying that no anybody can predict the future. I taught a lot of students at Syracuse that went on to go to Wall Street, and they all tell you that they can predict what the market's going to do. They're all lying. They're all lying. Even though we teach them that, well, the research says you can't predict the behavior of an individual stock, they'll still go to Wall Street and tell you that they can predict the stock because people believe them, but they're lying. It's not true. You cannot predict individual stocks. But I'm gonna give you. I'll give you some strategies here. Let me know you're ready. All right, pull out your pen. All right, Cyril and Charlie and Kim, I see you. All right, so here we go. Number one, if you like the tech companies, well, this is your time to dip into those. NVIDIA, Meta, AMD, Shopify, great companies. All of them got slaughtered, like left for dead. This is an opportunity to be a holder of a lot of great tech companies. Also, there are these things called leveraged ETFs. Leveraged ETFs are very high risk, high reward. So if you're a cowboy and you like to take chances and you like to just jump on the Bronco and ride that sucker all the way into the wind, well, a leveraged ETF like SPXL, that's Sierra, Poppy, Papa, Xylophone, Lion, SPXL, gives you three times the S&P 500, or TQQQ. TQQQ gives you three times the NASDAQ. So if you like your coffee with extra caffeine, or you want to drop a little bit of crack in it in your coffee, then this is going to give you a wild ride back up. And why do I think that this is okay? I'm not telling you what to do. This is not investing advice. I do not give investing advice ever. But most research says that when the market has a calamity like this, it's going to come back, and it's going to come back strong. It's going to come back on fire. One of the things I can tell you is I don't care if you like Trump or dislike Trump, but at the end of the day, one thing he said that is probably true is he said the markets are going to boom. And this is from the guy, the one of the few guys on the planet who has the ability to open his mouth and make the market boom. So whether you like him or not, yes, he's a bully. Yes, he's a narcissist. Yes, he's not a smart leader. These tariffs, the way he's doing it's a very bad idea. He wants everybody to kiss the ring 100%, but still he ain't stupid, and he knows something that we don't know, and he's got power that we don't have. He can open it, and this isn't been just true as president. Even before he became president, he could say things that could move the stock market. So he's saying this market's going to boom. I believe him. So ultimately, there's research out there by there's some names that I remember hearing in grad school